it's Maxine at Fabricland. Happy New Year to you, if I haven't spoken to you on the phone yet. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Today I'm going to show you our new range of curtain fabrics. Okay, we've cleared a high-end manufacturer that does curtain fabrics, and these are $4.99 a metre, which is just like unbelievable prices. So we've got lots to show you. So we've got like tapestry type ones, patchwork, all different sorts on there. We've got these in 3 different colorways. We've got these velour stripes, which would look nice in cushions on a sofa, maybe covering dining room seats, or really nice posh curtains. We've got ones with birds on, floral ones, look lovely on trend colours. I think these would look absolutely gorgeous. Muted flowers, we've got plain ones, striped ones. Oh, I just think this to me says Roman blinds. I think that would look gorgeous in a kitchen. You can see them all made. Floral ones. This would make lovely posh curtains. This is like almost like a shantung faux silk with embroidery on, and again $4.99 a metre. It's unbelievable prices. Lovely ones here, grey. I think we've pretty much got every interior colour sorted, and we've even got this velvet that we've reduced to £2 a metre that's fire retardant. So again, that would look really nice made up. I've got some more stood up behind me here. We've got lots on our website. It's difficult to show them all. We will try and put your pattern repeat on them. So, but if it's not on there, just give us a ring and we'll measure it for you. Don't forget, we do blackout curtain lining, and we also do this in a cream colour. So if you want to block out the light, that's really good. Somebody you know works shifts or something like that. We do curtain interlining, which is a bit like a stitched felt, okay, which is really good to make it thermal. Or if you had like the embroidered curtain fabric, if you put that underneath, it'd look quite padded. We've got a great range of curtain tapes, 3-inch, 2-inch, 1-inch. We do Roman blind tape, we do curtain lining tape. I think we've pretty much got it covered. So come and have a spring refresh, redo your curtains and blinds, and grab yourself a bargain. Goodbye.